Hi guys, just a short walk. And why not? Wasn't planning on going for any walk, but now I do feel like going for one, so why not? It is 18 minutes past 5. 1.5 days ago, 2 days ago, almost exactly 2 days ago, it was the summer solstice. 59 minutes past 5 here in my town was the summer solstice, and it's only 5:15 now, so you can imagine how long it's still going to be dark. I really should go. Should I? I know where it's going to take me. There is a road down there. People of Waterworks take that shortcut to get to square reservoirs that some of you may or may not have seen by now. I've taken my dog for his walk, and I want to go and see how much water we have, and I'm tired of listening to instructions from a guy that met up with me in the street again. Takes other people's dogs for a walk often. Good for him. I'm sure the people appreciate it when he takes others' dogs for a walk, joins up and makes a whole, what do you call it, not a school of fish. Oh no, not a herd, you know what I mean. Heap of dogs put together, takes them all one shot, goes and picks them up and delivers them back again. What I don't need from the guy is umpteen fucking instructions, time after time, on what I must and mustn't do with my dog. Telling me about what I must and mustn't feed, telling me about not letting him too much of this or too little that. So I said to him today, right at the end, I said, well, alright, okay, yeah, right. As he's busy dishing out his instructions time again. Alright, yeah, okay, yeah. And right at the end, I said to him, well, thank you so much for your professional advice. I think he caught the drift. I don't need instructions from the guy anymore. Let's go and see. Listen to the birds. Sorry for coughing. Sorry for coughing. I didn't mean to spoil the sound of the birds. That's what happens when you smoke. Please tell me how to stop. Please. I want to go for a walk in the forest above my town that you would not get at cities anywhere, not major cities. And we in the green lush. Had some rain, by the way, at 18 millimeters. What's that? A little bit more than an inch, I think. I think an inch is 16 millimeters. Is that correct? I don't know. Comment. I suppose I can check on my phone. I think 16 millimeters is an inch. We work in millimeters here in South Africa. We like our millimeters and our meters, our kilometers. We like it. We love it. Yeah, and we I suppose on the one hand, just like we would find it impractical and get it hard to understand how people can work with inches and so on, the same can be said from the other side. They probably can't understand how people are willing to work with millimeters. I hear the water running after 18 millimeters of rain. This is healthy forest still. You could walk in between these trees if you wanted to. Not overgrown, taken over by invasive stuff. And I mean, this is just like 1.5 stone throws from the house. Incredible to believe there are people that live even closer than I do. Let's see if Hillbillies has built a bridge for us here. They built the bridge on the other side. Nope, not yet. Would have to be quite a engineering little bridge to build here again. It really is meditating to me. I would never in my life, in previous places I've lived, I would never in my life have thought I would be so close to something like this. Should have brought my shoes again, my other shoes. Gone for a walk in it again. That is now like really meditating. It would be unforgiving not to come here or anywhere in the mountain every single day. One of the loveliest spots happens to be probably the closest spot to home. I think I'm going to go to the old dam, the one that's in the deep in the catchment area, that one. Not the one above Lurie Park. Or, no, not Lurie Park. Glenberry. Not the one above Glenberry, but the other one. Deep in the catchment area. I may just decide to be abstract and do that on the 25th. There's nobody going to be at home. Nobody's visiting me. And I'm not visiting anybody. So why not take a photo for starters, and also go for a walk on Christmas Day. Christmas. See how this comes out. Let's go back a bit. Sorry guys, sorry. Didn't mean to drop you. Wrong setting on the camera. Should have put it on landscape. Set the shutter speed at the water. Let's see how that comes out with it. Smoothed out the water nicely. As we follow the trail and have no load shedding, unbelievably. The smell, can you smell that? Smell carefully. Can you smell that? Lovely. Lovely, lovely. That is a Piet my vrou. Piet my vrou. Piet my vrou. Piet my vrou. Where are the baboons, ladies and gentlemen? Where are my baboons? I'm genuinely starting to get the feeling, sadly speaking, they may never return again. This has got to be the longest time I haven't seen my baboons. They've been gone for months now. Maybe they're on the other side of the mountain. Perhaps they decided move on. I mean, the whole mountain is wet. There's water everywhere. Or is that... What is that on the railway line? What is that on the railway line? No, it's just some water. It would be interesting to know. If they're far from here, but I could know where they were, I could know whether or not I can go and try and find them. I've never known, I don't know when last they've been gone for so long. I love the sounds they make. Don't know how people in my neighborhood, one or two particular individuals I know, can be so bloody, I don't know, stupid if it comes to baboons. Oh, this big deal. The baboon is going for our garbage bag again. What the hell are we gonna do? Look at the baboon, phone the police. I said to him one day when he was running down the street after these two baboons. I caught him walking back up. I said to him, what do you actually intend to do? What did you actually intend to do as a matter of interest, but all in a happy conversation, if you manage to catch up with him? No real answer. Can't think of an answer. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I catch up with them. Good question, perhaps. Looks like a comedy. I saw him running down the street behind these two, and I mean, they've obviously got the better of him. Try and find a human being that can just hop over an 8-foot wall. Anyway, this walk is better than nothing. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've watched it, it's 5:30, 25 to 7 now. No, 25 to 6, I mean. So, yeah, why not record it too? Even if there's just 1 or 2 people that watch it, that's fine by me. I can't be like these other people overnight who have 10,000 views or even 2,000 views within an hour and 100,000 views within 48 hours. I can't be like that. Maybe, you never know, maybe something like this does become like that. This is not a machinery channel where you see large, spectacular equipment or police traces. Police traces are spectacular, well, or popular, I'd say, popular. If it comes to most viewers, maybe some comedy and maybe some advice on computers, that kind of thing. That has a lot of viewers. But for something like this, which is around about the same area, I try and stretch it as far as possible with supported transport. Under my circumstances, transport is difficult. I refuse to drive, being an epileptic, unless I'm on a farm where I can happily write off a vehicle, perhaps. Even if this epilepsy of mine is under control, certainly to a large extent. Never really had anything serious for over 7 or 8 years now. It's still better not to drive. I still don't trust myself enough. Not even after all this time. After 49 years of it. Being an epileptic doesn't set you back, my friend. You can do anything you want to. You can climb peaks. Maybe I should be an inspiration talker to people with epilepsy. I can tell them how to handle kids laughing at them in schools, or even in colleges, even in high school, joking with them. Maybe try and tell them how to handle that and look further ahead. Hard making friends in school if you're an epileptic. That's for sure. And meeting all those people in Knysna that are in this enclosed place for people with epilepsy. Numerous people, they told me it feels like a jail. Their family basically offloads them there. When you're in there, you're not allowed to walk out of the... It's a big piece of ground, but you're not allowed to walk out of there. Anyway, I might tell you more about it at some other stage. Thanks for joining. Subscribe if you want to. And leave comments. Ask me, listen, when are you going to go there again? When are you going to do that? Can I come and join you if you're local perhaps? Or even if you're foreign and you're coming to South Africa. Otherwise, click on like at the bottom right hand corner. There's also the subscribe button. Click on that. And thanks for watching, guys.